Welcome to my YouTube channel. Daily study schedule can vary depending on individual preferences, subjects, and goals. However, here's a general outline that a top-performing student might follow in 2023. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. This gives me motivation so I upload more good videos for you. Morning, 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Wake up early for a fresh start. Start with a quick morning exercise or meditation to boost energy. Begin with the most challenging subject or task when your mind is at its sharpest. Study for 2 hours with short breaks in between. Break, 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. Take a 30-minute break to have breakfast and relax. Mid-morning, 8:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. Continue with focused study sessions, rotating through subjects. Take short breaks every 45 to 60 minutes to stay refreshed. Review previous notes and practice problems. Lunch, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Take a 1-hour break for lunch and relaxation. Afternoon, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Resume studying, focusing on different subjects or topics. Use active learning techniques like summarizing, teaching concepts to yourself, or solving problems. Take short breaks to prevent burnout. Short break, 3 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Take a 30-minute break to recharge. Late afternoon, 3:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Continue studying or working on assignments. Prioritize subjects based on upcoming exams or deadlines. Review and consolidate what you've learned. Exercise or outdoor activity, 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Engage in physical activity to maintain overall well-being. Evening, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Dinner and relaxation. Spend quality time with family or engage in a hobby. Night, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Review the day's work and make a to-do list for the next day. A short study session to reinforce key concepts or prepare for the next day. Bedtime routine, 10 p.m. Wind down with calming activities like reading or light stretching. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep to ensure proper rest. Remember, adapt the schedule to your own needs and preferences, and make sure to incorporate breaks, exercise, and enough sleep. Consistency, time management, and effective study techniques are key to achieving top results. Thank you. Please like my video.